we good? You guys hear me? I guess not. Is it working? All right. Thank you, Jesus. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I keep pressing I keep streaming at 8:55 like we normally do, but it doesn't go through. I'll look on YouTube, nothing's showing up. I don't know what's going on with it, man. I keep having to re-enter the stream key. Some people aren't getting alerted. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, so let's get started today. Good to see everybody in here. Daniel, Jonathan, Coyne, Kimberly, Raymonds, V in the house. So we got Brad, everybody's in here this morning. All right, guys, like usual, we'll get 15 likes and then we'll trade live today. Good to see you guys in here. We're going to have another green day to date. Going to do it again, as Brad said. Another day, another dollar. IBM coin. It's making me growl this morning. By the way, guys, my vision is partially blurred this morning. Yesterday, my cat literally clawed my eyeball. And I had a rough night. I could hardly watch the debate last night, which is probably a good thing. But anyways, IBM did come out with news this morning. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. It's their own earnings. I was really hoping this one was going to get a little bit more euphoric for us so we could take a position on it. But, we're not going to chase this down. IBM's already kind of seen that profit taken this morning. Chasing Bass in the house. Man, you ready to rock and roll this morning? It's going to be another good day today. Great trades yesterday as well, Coin. But let's go ahead and dive right into today. We got a few nice plays to look at this morning that I want to jump right into. FYI for you guys, and dang, yeah, what is going on here? Alright, it looks like WKHS at the moment, it wasn't doing this when I reviewed it in pre-market. It looks like it's trying to crack this trend now. It's trying to crack the trend that I was on. It was actually looking rather heavy off of it. So that's not necessarily a bad thing. We can go ahead and look at the next trend, which is going to be that breakout area at 21.15. So that's the area I'd be watching today. It's probably going to be a little heavy, cracking that trend. We'll watch it against 21.15. As usual, JKS Fearless. Are we doing it again today? Are we going to do it? Here's JKS in the trend. It's been respecting very well. Look at these. This thing, the Just Kidding stock is still on a tear. Yesterday, I was really excited because JKS actually had kind of that euphoria. It kind of had all that volume coming into it that we like to see, that abnormal volume, creating that abnormal opportunity. So I will be watching JKS today, probably against the previous close there at $56 at the open. See if we'll get some profit taken and that thing start turning back around. I will cut it like we normally do, but here's the thing with JKS. It's respecting this trend, so we might see it try to pull back down to that $48 trend area. Doesn't necessarily mean it's done, but this stock has been nuts. So in Fearless Trader, that's all we've really been trading, JKS. I mean, why not? And we've been trading on the short side. How can we explain that? We're making money on the short side of the thing? All right. Man, I wish I had more shorts today on SLO, but it looks like they stripped me of them. So a little irritated with that. SLO, no shorts here if you guys have them. I know we got this yesterday, but this is a nice little setup. We're on day 2 of an overbought move here. This one is, we're going to have that high yesterday around 363. And the past chart history on SLO is not bad. Not a bad past chart history on SLO. It's a little coming up right up towards resistance here on its past chart history chart around 360 area. So if you guys have the shorts, SLO, not too bad. Fearless, I'll explain JKS when they explain to me what a red day is. They won't be able to do it. Just keep it to yourself. That's an Avery day trading secret. All right, GPRO this morning. GPRO. And I do think part of the success is, and I know it's overwhelming looking at a lot of stocks, but part of the success is not marrying one ticker. There's a lot of groups out there that want to have you focused on one stock so they can pump them and then they make their money on a low floater. But the idea is, if you have a pretty high consistency rate and you're trading many different tickers and not just marrying one, you're going to inevitably have a good consistent rate. It's going to be difficult to have a red day. All right, GPRO, definitely watching this today. This stock went nutso yesterday, $5 to about $7. Really what I like about GPRO as well, let's pull this up. Yeah, above $7 is when this stock gets tough. I mean, really the stock at $7.50 is awesome. Awesome resistance up here at $7.50. Once, twice, 3 times is that gapish to fill as well. But the thing is, we had such an overbought move, and this is what I always do when looking left of the chart, is look at the average daily candlestick. So the candlestick it just made yesterday is way, way above average. I mean, this stock over 20 million shares traded, huge candlestick. It would not be surprising if we just initially saw profit taken somewhere out of the gates. I like it to pop on up for us just a little bit. Patriots is finally with us. What's up, man? Yeah, GoPro. 750 is an awesome area to short into this, but it had such an overbought move yesterday. I'm probably going to slow scale this. 750 is that area. I'd like it to pop a little bit more for us. You guys know what we like to do. We like to slow roll our hands. As the hand gets better, I like to put a little bit more chips on the table. So I'm going to probably slow roll, put some chips on this a little slow. I like 750s. I'd like to see this pop out of the gates, but we may see some profit taken out of the gates on GPRO, but certainly going to watch that and have shorts here at CMEG on it this morning. FSLY, going to be watching this one as well. FSLY, you remember this stock, guys? Yesterday, it was going kind of crazy. Well, even more overbought now. This stock opened up at 102. This is a higher price stock. 102 closed at around 120 bucks on FSLY. So, yeah, definitely going to be watching this one very, very carefully. Pop and fade. Pop and fade's idea there. Pop and fade. All right. Well, hello, OCUL. Was just watching OCUL briefly this morning around 11 bucks. This one as well. Same thing. Fearless, what are your thoughts on WKHS? Well, it's really heavy under the trend right now. So I think we need to watch it against this breakout area, which was around $21. Jonathan, so many old support trend resistance line. Yeah, I was just cleaning that up a little bit on WKHS. I was actually reviewing some of my notes, and WKHS has literally been a stock we've been watching for months when it was around 15 support. So it's been a killer play in here. You guys know the green Avery day trade team. We be killing it. We be killing them. All right, OCUL. OCUL, the stock. All right, same story here. This is a little. All right, I'm gonna throw this in here for free. All right, guys. Throw this in here for free. Tips are appreciated, but they're not required. I'm messing with you guys. All right, here's an example. 7 million shares traded, OCUL, yesterday. This one popped up on the Bear Scan watch list. For those of you new, this is what I look at every single morning. I go through all these plays that were pretty much plays that were overbought yesterday. I'm just looking for what is, objectivity versus what I want to happen. And that's what we often do with, that's what a lot of traders do as far as these low flows go. They're saying, oh, low flow, this may do this probably will do this, blah, 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 blah. No, I'm looking at what is objective, no bias. All right, so OCUL, overbought. Here's a day, it kind of got overbought as well, about half the volume though. But what do we see following this big day? Red candlestick. Let's see if we can find some other candles like that. Here we go. Here's another. Actually, this is a little bit more. This is actually a little bit more How do you say symbolic? There we go. Symbolic of today. Losing my words, guys. All right, this one has about the same volume we had yesterday on OCUL. And what did we see? We saw a pop out of the gates to fade. Pop out of the gates to fade. So that's what I look for. We may see that OCUL. Pop out of the gate to a fade. I have 1150 marked off, and here it is. Yep. All right, so 1150, 1160s back here on OCUL. We got an overbought move yesterday. We may see a little pop to fade on it today up towards this resistance, 1150. The hand gets sweeter and sweeter, baby. Pocket pair aces with what? Get another ace on the flop. Now, does pocket pair aces win every hand? No, it doesn't. It certainly doesn't. So you have to manage risk. It's very important to manage risk on these trades. Not every trade is going to work out, but we play the best setups. David in the house. What's going on, man? PLUG. Let's look at that one. Man, I have a really sad story with PLUG. I literally got stopped out of this stock. You guys are going to laugh at me. PLUG. This is Plug Power. I think when I think this is that company. Yeah, it is. Company. I think this one tanked when the California wildfires were going on. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. This is what happened to me. I was scaling into this kind of for a swingish trade and literally stopped out at 253 down here. Thing turned on around. $2. Now we're 18. Great trade, Kevin. You're amazing. You're just amazing. The right idea. Here's the thing. You can have the right idea on these stocks, but you have to slow scale them. That's something I run into. That's a problem I run into a lot. I like them to work a little bit quicker than they may want to work, and so I scale them way too fast. If you're scaling into plays, let them work a little bit. Let them work a little bit. Preaching to the choir, baby. Yeah, PLUG. Yeah, I'm with you, man. I don't think I got shorts here, but yeah, I do have shorts here. Well, hello. All right, let's take a closer look at it. Let's take a closer look. This is what we're looking for right here. You guys like the stairs up or the Avery day trading elevator down? Because that's what I like. 1130 down to under $6. I like the elevator down. That is what I like. Yeah, good eye, Patriots. This is a good one to watch. It certainly is. So it's getting overbought off the trend quite a bit here. Trend's going to be weighed. It broke out, kind of had a breakout over 1420. Yep, trend is going to be, it's way off this trend. Extend that to the left. I like PLUG. Yeah, this is a good one to watch today, Patriots. Good eye. Let's see what it's going to do at the open. Let's see what it's going to do at the open. If it gets fast and euphoric, I'll short it. A lot of these I'm going to look for the pop and fade on. A lot of these going to look for the pop, and fade. David's into the exercise. Got to take the stairs to keep that girlish figure. I got you, man. Yeah, I only do. My girl gets upset at me because, I only do a couple workouts a day. I do a sit-up in the morning, a few squats during the day. Call it a day, baby. Call it a day. All right, EV, I want to be watching this one as well. It's on our Gap Up watch list. This one is, I want to see it get a little euphoric. EV is around $60. Its all-time high, guys, is at $60.95. $60.95 on EV. This one, what was the news? We do fundamentals, technical, and trader analysis in the group. And Morgan Stanley will acquire EV and a deal valued at $7 billion. So this one, I'm certain we may see a pop out of this one out of the gate. Deal with Toyota. We'll see what happens on it. We got to get some good volume into it. Essentially, what I'm looking for, yeah, that's great news. I want to look for it to get a little bit more overbought, and we can kind of fade it like IBM. I want to see it fade like IBM, but we got to have this move. We got to have an IBM move like this. Got to have volume coming into it, make it fast and scary. The scarier, the better, guys. It's literally one of my rules on the whiteboard. Do not take comfortable trades, Kevin. Sometimes I throw feelers out, but they got to be scary. The scarier, the better. You got to understand your emotions and what they're telling you. The comfortable trades usually are the bad trades as far as I go. So, coin, it's a buyout. They don't fade much. All right, so that one likely it's not going to move. Probably go a little sideways. We'll watch for it to see if it gets that type of IBM move, but if not, we won't be trading it. Man, I'm so upset with IBM that that's fading so much. Yeah, buyouts do usually stay flat. They do usually stay pretty flat. All right, so OCUL, I'll be watching that one out of the gates, 1150. I may start it. I want to pop. Everything I want to pop on out of the gates today. OCUL, I like this one for the fade. GPRO, I like that one for the pop against 750. Remember, 750 is huge. That's a great resistance area with GPRO, so I'm watching that carefully. Of course, Fearless and I are going to be hitting JKS at some point today. And then, what's the other one? FSLY, I'm going to be watching this one as well. These four mainly out of the gate. And what do we have? Plug, Patriots brought up. Yeah, I'm going to throw this one up too. So there's five right there. WKHS, there's a lot to watch, guys. A lot to watch. I'm going to load up some charts. You guys hit the like button. If we get over 15 likes, we'll trade live today. I'm going to load these charts up real quick, and then we can go over the scans and get ready to make some money. Somebody's got to put food on the table. Avery Day Trading, providing meals worldwide. GPRO, PLUG, OCUL, WKHS. JKS. You guys let me know if you have any questions real quick. If you want me to run over anything again, be watching GPRO for a pop, 750 risk, slow scale on that. Probably slow scaling. OCUL, that one, 1150 is really tough on that. Pop and fade ideal. What did we see yesterday, guys? Let's go over that real quick, just so you guys are familiar. I missed my scale, which would have made CDX, what was it? CDXC would have been a really nice trade. But that was the one we were trading yesterday. And that one did what? Pop and fade out of the gate, CDXC. So this is what I'm talking about. 5 days, we'll look at 5-day chart. Yep, overbought move. We got a pop and fade. So this is what happens a lot of times. We either snap out of the gates, we get the pop up towards resistance, and fade. Those are one or two scenarios that happen most of the time. The other scenario is it'll grind. We see some of these stocks that will have day two. SOL we traded yesterday, ended up grinding again. So if they start getting grindy, looking to get out. But that's day two, which is a better hand. I just don't have shorts there for SOL. But if you guys do, go for it, baby. Patriots wants the Tower of Terror on plug. Tower of Terror, that little fast move up, and then down to the bottom floor. Coin, if DKNG fails, looking for $50. All right, CPN. Oh my God, CPST. It's another one I was watching. It's already sold on off though. Never mind. Cross that one off the list. It was CPST. I was watching. It was a little thin, but I was watching that one to get a little fast. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't trade that one either. My mentor in the house, Intensity Stock Watch, ready to rock and roll. The best trader in the whole world. Trading for 20 plus years. And he is greeny weeny, like the everyday trading team. Learned everything from him. Let the trades come to you. Going to be a great day, as he said. Great advice. Let me make that I'm going to pin that message. That is the quote of the day, baby. Let the trades come to you. Going to be a great day. ISW in the house. Matty Who in the house. Hiya, B. well, B's in here. B's in here. I don't need to be in here. You guys trade with him. He'll get you guys straight. All right, guys. Well, my system just hit me. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I will be right back. I need to get a catheter or something. I got time for all this. We got 15 likes in here. We trading live. 19 likes. All right, next week we're upping it to 20. 20 likes, guys. We're gonna keep upping the game, baby. Kim in the house. Kim in the house. Not done traveling. All right, load up some charts. We got Jonathan 20. That's a lot of pressure. 20 people, 20 likes. It's all good, man. It's all good. We got the A team in here. The A team. The green team. All right, PLUG, if that gets fast out of the gate, I will be starting that. I will be starting PLUG if that gets fast out of the gate. And we'll look to slow scale that. And it kind of looks like it's perking up a little bit. GPRO, looking for a pop against previous close. GPRO, pop against the previous close. To short into that. Remember, 750 is really good GPRO. And then WKHS, 21, low 21s. That's the breakout area. Previous resistance, now support. So if that one panics down there, we'll be watching. OCUL, you guys are already shorting it. Come on, guys. You got to wait. Got to wait. OCUL really want that one. So let's get that one to pop up towards 1150. And JKS, you guys know what it is. Fearless Nine going to get the party started on JKS. Ride that one down. Little pop to profit taking. I mean, we see some profit taking on every day. Get a little profit taking, and then it turns around, starts squeezing out some more. Coin, all your best plays came yesterday midday. Yeah, so like the pin tweet says, let the trades come to you. What did GPRO just do? GPRO. Okay, if that one pops a little like over 650, 660, remember, I'm going to slow scale that to 750. So that's the idea there. JKS getting a little perky. Guys, we got 10 seconds. You ready? rock and roll. The market is now open. Market is now open. Come on, baby. Man. JKS, I was looking for an entry, missed it. All right, I'm watching OCUL, GPRO for those to pop up a little bit. Get a little position on those. PLUG kind of going sideways at the moment. You guys watch the scans. Scans are going to be screaming something here shortly. I'm watching a few of these plays right now. Getting close. Getting awfully close. Man, JKS snapped real quick, 1.5. That one usually turns back around. It'll probably give us another position, so I'm just going to be patient there. Going to be patient there. OCUL, I really don't want to miss the train here, but I'm not going to chase it in the 1060s. GPRO, looking for that one to pop up a little bit for us, and then I will take a position on that. GPRO 650s, I'm in it. If it pops over 650, I'm in that. OCUL, man. Anyone get the OCUL JKS snap? I completely missed the train on both of those. Plug snapping too. God bless America. All right, plug pop up towards 19. I'm going to take that one as well. I'm just waiting. It's going to pop back up for me. I'm going to go ahead and start GPRO. Not missing anything. Not going to miss it. Yeah, David, I think you're right. JKS, I'm not chasing that. Usually goes red to green, so not going to chase that. GPRO, baby, let's go. Going to take off half right here. Let the rest fade on GPRO. I have a 641 average there. We're about to be under 620s. I'll take a little bit more under 620s when we get there. All right, taking some more 616. Thank God I didn't miss every single snap. Good God, everything we were watching snapped right away. Nothing gonna pop up for us, you know? Just something pop up. GPR, I still got a quarter. I'm just gonna let those fade. Not bad. All right, OCUL, that one, nice snap. That's got to pop back up towards 1150 for me to get interested. JKS, looking for that one to pop up as well. I'm going to be patient with those. PLUG kind of sitting stagnant. I still like PLUG kind of for a fade, but PLUG is probably not bad for the fade. But I don't want it in the 1850s. I need to pop back up to 19 to get interested there. All right, let's see what's screaming. Let's see what's screaming. FSLY is fading a little bit right now out of the gates as well. FSLY. What's screaming? What are we missing? ATC popping up. ATC getting a little pop right up right now. VIS. GPRO, I'm gonna take the rest under 16. So probably like when that gets under 16, I'll take the rest on that. That's the idea there. Plug still hasn't made up its mind yet. I'd really like that one to pop up toward a 19. First, JKS trying to get back up. That's what we want. That's what we want. Alright, we're not missing anything. Not missing anything. WKHS wanted to pop out of the gate. That's alright. GPRO's coming down towards 6. So that one's probably going to flush quick under 6. Like I said, I'm looking to take the rest under 6. I'm about to get it right here. Come on, baby. Come down to 6. Usually they pull fast under the whole dollars. Fingers on the trigger there. Plug is popping up. Plug is popping up for us a little bit. Starting to watch that one. Still, it's kind of sideways. This is what I'm talking about a comfortable type of trade. Still kind of just going sideways right now. IBM is popping back up. You know, if that one starts going back up near its pre-market highs, you know, we're going to have a lot of natural resistance in there. I will look to short that one. IBM. Yeah, watching IBM. It's coming back up towards 136.7. Wait for it to get a little fast. Seeing what we're missing. We're not missing anything. I just have one position at the moment. I missed OCUL, JKS, snap out of the gate. BBBY popping up. Coin slamming that just a little bit. Yeah, sitting at a lot of resistance right now. BBBY, a lot of resistance. 21 to 21.50. G Pro about to be under 6, so I'm about to take the rest on that. Come on. Come on, baby. Yeah, watch him plug as well. Fearless, watch him plug as well. Waiting for that one just to get a little faster. Waiting for that just to get a little faster. Fast move up. I'll be interested. IBM still climbing. IBM, just still watching that one as well as plug. Those two. Then we'll see what screams. We will see what screams. CSIQ, a little bit of panic on the negative intensity scans. CSIQ, a little snappy. CSIQ is not bad. That one is selling off very fast. You guys know I like shorts. Longs I'm not a huge fan of, but not a bad play there. Man, PLUG coming back down just a little bit. Looking a little heavy right here. Looks like it wants to break the lows, PLUG. So yeah, I didn't take it up near 19. Did not take it. GoPro, my stop on the quarter position is going to be my average price at 641 if that gets back up there. Patriot shorted plug sitting on 50%. Nice. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful trade. If you guys took PLUG, great work. I'm going to wait for it to come back up for me to get a position there. CSIQ, that was on the negative intensity scans. Remember, if they're highlighted orange, it means reversal. Get ready for the reversal. CSIQ already popping back up a little bit from that alert there on the scans. PLUG down in the 1820s. Great short, Patriots. Beautiful trade. Nice wick. Man, I'm just... Yeah, it was a good setup. Probably should have thrown a feeler on it myself. Probably should have done it. Plug, low 18s now. Whew, looks like it wants to come under 18. Man, heck of a trade, man. Yeah, it was a good setup. It was a good one to look at this morning. Good eye there. 1790s now. Beautiful work, Patriots. It was a great trade. DKNG breaking down a little bit. Nice work there, coin. GPRO coming back up to my average at 641. If it gets above that, I'm looking to stop out of it, but it may hit it again here. Risking over, what, 643. I like this up towards 750. Remember that. 750 on GPRO. So yeah, I'm out the rest on GPRO for now. I'll see what happens at 750 if that one comes back up. All right, BHC popping up a little bit. BHC popping up, getting fast. Man, Patriots, I really wish I was with you with plug, but nice trade. Yep, coin's right. Plug along is coming up soon. If this one keeps panicking, I'm with you there. That's what I'm watching for. So what do we have? 1780s. Plug is overbought on the chart. I hate long and overbought stocks, but we are experiencing this panic. All right, I'm with you. I'm longing plug right here. 1780s. I look to scale into it. Look to slow scale it. I'm long with you though. Yep, I'm with you, coin. I be with you, brother. I'll look to take a partial over 18 if we get back up over 18. BHC, I'm watching that one carefully as well right now. BHC, watching that carefully. Taking a partial off on plug over 18. Taking a partial off on plug over 18. My adjusted stop is 1780, which is my average. Other one I'm watching is BHC for that one to get a little fast. Get a little fast. Yep. It's one of those mornings. One of those mornings. Very picky. Very, very picky. Yeah, guys, so it's very important to remain unbiased. I mean, that was a great call by Coin. Yeah, plug was a short. It certainly was a short, but we're not going to chase it on the short side. We're going to remain unbiased. If it starts experiencing panic, human behavior never changes. That's freaking stopped out. GPRO at the top right there, back down to 617s. Is what it is. Follow the rules. Is what it is. BHC, I'm still watching that for a fast move. I'm watching BHC for a fast move. If it gets really fast, I'm interested there, and it's getting close. Plug. Plug, my adjusted stop is 1780, or we'll let that ride up to 18, 20s, 30s. Yeah, I'm out the rest plug. Out the rest plug for now, 1780. A little pop there. BHC is getting a little fast. I may revisit plug in just a little bit. But BHC is kind of where my eyes are right now, but I'm waiting for it to get a little fast. Let me look left of the chart here. See what's going on BHC. Patriots, your first short trade ever? Welcome to the dark side, brother. Welcome to the dark side. Yeah, BHC, it can keep going. It's got room to go. It's got room to go. I may watch it over 18. Yeah, plug, probably not a bad idea. Or coin, not a bad idea for plug. 1750's risk. Man, G Pro stopped down the quarter at the top. That's frustrating. JKS, Fearless. You get any JKS? I did not. I didn't chase it. Did not chase it. JKS was a good trade, though. OCUL as well. Yep. A little frustrating of a morning so far. Missed a couple snaps. But, all you got so far was GPRO. Yep, same here. Same here. Well, that and PLUG. Little nibble on PLUG. Little nibble there. I think there's still a trade with PLUG, but just going to be patient with it. Kind of my eyes are on PLUG BHC at the moment. And then whatever pops up on the scans. IBM, a little bit of a fade off of that pop. So if you guys got that, nice. Nice. I'm just waiting for JKS to start turning back around. Start doing that little red to green move, you know? BHC a little heavy against the 9 EMA. We had a little bit of a sell-off right there. 1770 down to 1750. A little heavy against the 9. Plug buyer stepping in. Yeah, about to be back over 18, so nice work there, coin. Daniel, small little nibble on BBBY. Yeah, nice little short there. It's a good play. That was a good play. Nice work. Technical difficulties. What's going on with CMEG? I have not had... I hadn't run into any problems this morning so far. Other than not pressing the button on a couple stocks. Yeah, probably good with plug coin. If we start getting a fast move up to VWAP, I'll probably look to short it. Yeah, playing both sides of it is the way to go. It is the way to go. When you start playing both sides of stocks, certain tickers, you're on to something. You know, when I first started trading, I was very different, you know, than how I think now. You know, I was like only remained a certain bias on its ticker. You're on Sterling. Chart's not loading. Gotcha. Flipping through charts, you know, seems like a sniper-like day today, and we've all done good. Everyone's doing very well, but we're not missing anything. Avery Day Trade Team, we don't miss nothing. We don't miss a play. Coin's got that level 3 data over there, that market depth. 65,000, 100,000 share buyer at 1765 on plug. Coin, how is that software or whatever you have different than the level 2? I mean, is it kind of smoke and mirrors as well? Because level 2 you can just flash whatever orders you want. All right, BHC and plug. I'm still just watching those. We're not missing anything. Watching the scans, nothing's really We're good. AGE is that like penny stock that's still taking on off right now a little bit. Do we have shorts AGE? AGE. Let me look. Nope, no shorts there. Yeah, AGE's got that pumpy chat room volume at the moment. So if you're interested, entire order book shows the entire order book. David said, try to switch from one chart to another. Sometimes the charts on Sterling get a little glitchy. Yeah, I can understand that. I used TOS for charting, and I know all about glitchy. Let's see resting orders that remain on the book. Gotcha, coin. Gotcha, boss. Gotcha. Yeah, level 2. Level 2 is almost not even worth looking at. Honestly, if a big order pops up, I usually just short into it because it's all smoke and mirrors. You can display 0 shares on level 2, or you can display 1,000,000 shares. I mean, you can shake people out of positions, scare them. It's all just smoke and mirrors. I don't even pay attention to it. Trade the chart. Alright. Yeah, we got our eyes everywhere, guys. We're not missing a play. AGE at 320 here. You guys know fast moves through the whole dollar up to the 20-cent area is a magic number to short. But, this is the low float chat room kind of manipulated play. Not really going to be focused there too much. I think we're focused on everything right now. BBBY, great trades there. GPRO, you guys did well. We missed JKS. Plug, got that. So we're doing good. Not missing anything. Not missing a play. Yeah, I really want BHC to get a little faster, but slowing down a little bit. Plug, getting a little pop for you, coin. Nice work there. Coin following the money. Age, fast move up to the whole dollar, hit that 30-cent area, pulled back. Nice work there. Now this play is going to be manipulated all day. It's got the chat rooms, it's got the volume, it's got the brokers, the algos, it's got everything on it. So it's an avoid for me, but RKT popping up. All right, we're getting something. RKT popping up. This is somewhat of a, this is that mortgage recent IPO just a couple months ago. Probably don't even have shorts for it, but RKT. I do have shorts for it. I do have shorts for it. I don't like trading stocks that are recent IPOs. I do not like it. But I cannot deny the euphoria on it. So yeah, David, that's what, age is where the volume is. Just watch setups. Chat rooms are all over it, so when it rips, it freaking rips. It gets like 1,000 people buying 1,000. It's getting like 200,000 shares in a second. Yeah, I just like the easier stuff. I just avoid those type of plays. All right, RKT, I'm seeing here we go. All right. What do we see here? 22.75 looks a little tough on it. So over the last 5 days, 23.20s is what's been holding on up with RKT, 23.20s. So if we get a really fast move up through 23, which it looks like it's trying to do, I may take a stab at it. I mean, we're getting fast on RKT. I may take a stab at it, but I don't really like shorting IPOs. But it's getting crazy. It's getting crazy, getting fast, right up to $23. I'm gonna take a stab at it over 23 on RKT. I'm gonna throw a feeler out, look at the scale into it. But over 23, I'm gonna take a little stabby at it. Stab it, stab it. If I get the opportunity, because B just slammed it. Messing with you, man. Yeah, I like how fast it's getting. RKT. Looking for it over 23. I like that 23.20s. For a short. For a short. Yeah, it's getting buyers coming into it. Watching the price action carefully. I might let it go a little bit past 23, depending on what it does here. Here's Rocket Mortgage, though. Let's look at the daily chart real quick. So here's the daily candle today. It can get going, man. The stock $20 to $23. I mean, it can move 3 points without question. Without question. 22. So one continuous fast euphoric move is what I'm looking for. And just this resistance up here, the 23.20s. We can see how those hold up. 23.20s the last 5 days. 23.20s. And BHC testing out the high of days right now. Plug just kind of going sideways, not much there. Daniel having issues in 2180. What do you mean? What? Whew! Guys, we are always on the right number, aren't we? Coin with that level 3 market data. It's got 100,000 shares at 23.20. We know what we're looking at. Avery day trading team, we know that right number. Having issues in 2180. Daniel, you're in Rocket at 2180? Is that what you're saying? My charts aren't loading. Yep, now TOS isn't loading much for me right now, so it is not loading a whole lot. PLUG kind of going sideways. Kind of going sideways right now, testing that $18 area. Longs take longer. You just got to be aware of it. Longs take longer. Shorts take shorter. Looking for anything to pop on up right now. Watching still Rocket over 23.20s. Gotcha, Daniel. Rocket having a problem breaking 22.80. Yeah, it's having a little bit of difficulty right there. But it's holding on up. You know, it's a good sign for continuation when we have a fast euphoric move like that, and then we have long still present. And longs are still present. We don't have a huge pullback. It looks like it really wants to get up through 23. So that's what I'm watching on it. My TOS charts are going nuts right now. Going absolutely nuts, so. Big Tech's finally in the house. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Making some money this morning, Big Tech's. Coin 2280, 50,000 seller. They just absorbed. So look for the 23 break. All right, yep. Looking good for it. It is looking good. It's holding the 9 EMA very well. Holding that 9 very well. We may see a fake out breakout over 2280. But these are the ones I don't want to be involved with. The ones that go straight up and then consolidate and go sideways. Heck no. Not looking to be here all day. Get that money and get out, baby. Man, JKS hasn't come back yet. It looks like it's trying to go back to the trend. JKS. BHC slowing down. AGE having a tough time with that 330s penny stock. Just kind of going sideways as well at the moment. We haven't missed anything. Just waiting for Rocket to start blasting off. That Rocket mortgage. We want you to get those rocket boosters on and head straight up. It's probably my last trade. RKT if we get something on it. RKT. David, anyone short JKS doing backflips right now? Yeah, I'd probably be doing backflips too. I just don't. I don't think I can do a backflip. I'm old. But yeah, JKS nice. If you guys took that out of the gates, great work. It snapped a point, and I'm not going to chase a stock a whole point, especially when JKS usually turns back around. But yeah, great work on JKS, guys. A little upset I missed a couple today, but honestly, there hasn't been. We've been on top of everything. Seriously, we've been on top of everything, but did miss a couple. Rocket looks like it's slowing down a little bit. Need that one to get fast through 23. And that'd be it. Looking heavy, though. Looking heavy. Dang, BHC and both Rocket coming on down. Stocks just did not. They just didn't get a whole lot today, did they? Not a whole lot of meat on these bones. Missed ARTW, chat room pumpy. ARTW, the pumpy and dumpy. Alright, so here's the idea. Here is the idea. What do we got? Rocket, what we can do is short risking off of the highs, 22.85. It's looking weak. We can short into a pop risking highs. We can wait for it to get fast, which I don't know if it is. Volume's kind of fading off on it. Plug back up through 18. Coin, you still got a little bit of that. But yeah, there's not a whole lot of high quality setups at the moment. We can wait for something to scream on the skins. But it's about that 10 o'clock, so if RKT doesn't do something here shortly, I'm about to head on out. Plug testing the VWAP, going to cover about 75%. Yeah, 1830s. Cover about 75, not bad. XBR, JMIA popping up. JMIA popping back up towards its high days. JMIA. Getting a lot of volume right here. A lot of volume. JMIA. Do you have short with JMIA here at CMEG? Man, I'm getting slammed. Yeah, so JMIA popping up a little bit. We can watch that one a little bit, as well as RKT. Still watching RKT slightly. RKT, just it has some buyers coming into it. You guys see these lower shadows? Lower shadows, RKT. We do have buyers. Buyers absorbing orders here. So we may still get that pop over 2280. Volume may come into this. But I'm getting near the point where I feel like I'm about to force a trade. Patriots would love to learn from Coin. Yeah, Coin's killing it, man. Coin is killing it. Kim out of here. See y'all tomorrow. Yep, I hear you. About to wrap it up myself. Age is that chat room pump, so it's probably gonna have volume all day on it. Rocket 2270s, JMIA back down to 912s. Man, that was a hard reject on JMIA. Hard reject against the high days. Rocket coming back up towards 2280s. It looks like it wants to get it. So my eyes are there for just the next few minutes. See what's going to happen with Rocket and see if anything else pops on up. And if not, you know, Plug, you're about to, or Coin, I keep calling you Plug. Coin, you're about to get that Plug VWAP. So nice work there. RKT coming up 2280s. Yep, Coin about to go. I'm watching that closely. I want to see it squeeze some shorts out. And get up through 23 fast. And here we go. Let's get a little bigger move on it. Get a little bigger move on it. Nice work, Coin. Nice work. All right, coming up to 23 on Rocket. Not going to force a trade on it. We did have volume just come back into it. Nice little volume surge. We're going to squeeze out some shorts here, probably over 23. Looking for it to get really fast. 2320s is a little bit of a tough area. But I just want to see how it's going to go through 23. I want to see how this one's going to pop through 23. Yeah, you guys can start it if you, I mean, most of the trades today, you guys could have traded without me. You would be killing it because I've been way too hesitant today, I guess. Or these stocks have not been going, sustaining the moves as long as I've thought. Rocket, let's see you get over 23 fast. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah, I agree with you there. Rocket buyers thinning out. Watch for the fake out breakout if buyers don't step up. Looking for that sustainable volume. I really think we're going to get that 23 break. That's what I'm looking for. But it needs to get fast. Patience. Patience. P-A-Y. Patience. It's pretty much the only one I'm watching, though, at the moment. Patriots, a pro noob with patience. Yeah, I am too here and there, man. I hear you. Today I'm struggling being too patient, I guess. If I see something moving, I just need to jump in it. Essentially. All right, we're about to get that 30 pop. I need to get fast. You guys know the faster the move, the weaker the trend is. We got a lot. We got a wall of sellers at 23, but I think we're going to break it. That's what I'm looking at. I want that to break. Head up towards 23.20s. There we go. There's the 23 break. Waiting for it to start squeezing some more shorts out. Get fast. I want to see very fast green candlesticks. Almost like this candle. I want to show you guys. This candlestick right here. This is what I'm looking for. 23.50 up to 22.80. Yeah, I want to see it crazy stupid. And then I'll start it. Want to see it crazy stupid. Coin is going to scale in. I'm with you. I'm getting close. I'm getting close to taking a position. I want it over 23.20s fast. All right, I'm starting it. I started it. I really want it faster, though. Really want it fast. I don't think it's gotten fast enough yet. But I've been a little hesitant with my entries today, so I just want to be smart. Man, plug. 1830s. Nice work there, coin. PLUG. Yep, faster the move, weaker the trend. Faster the move, weaker the trend. I'm looking to scale in quite slowly. I got three ads I'm going to do to it. 112, as you guys know. 112. The 112 method. The hop, hippity, scott. I got a 23.15 average at the moment. That's what I'm working with. 23.15. But I wouldn't mind it getting a little faster because I want to scale into it a little bit. I wouldn't mind it going just a little bit more. But the resistance on the chart's not bad, man. The resistance on the chart up there at 23.20s, that's what I've been watching, and I let the trades come to me. That's what I'm really happy about. Let the trades come to me. But here's what I'm saying. Here's what I'm showing. Here's what I'll show you guys real quick. Oh, we got a second. Yeah, this is what I'm looking at on the chart. 23.25 up here. 23.25. I mean, it's definitely resistance. It's just, is it going to get the volume to break through it today? Is it going to hold on up? Wheelsy? Plug. You still got 25% on plug coin. About to be in the 1840s. Nice work there. Nice wick. Awesome, man. Killing it, coin. As usual. JKS, would you guess? Would you guess, Fearless? Trying to do a little red to green move. Not surprising. Big seller at 1850, getting the rest out on plug. Yeah, not bad. Not bad there. Yeah, Rocket's slowing down a little bit. Slowing down. Yeah, Coin's got like this level 3 information. I forget what it's called. Coin's got all this fancy stuff. I don't like how slow Rocket is. Don't like how slow it is. Don't want to be sitting in it all day. JMIA keeps coming back. Yeah, I plan on throwing another ad on it probably at 23.50 if it gets up to there. And then otherwise looking for under 23, I'll probably take it off because I don't want to sit in this all day. Starting to slow down a little bit. We've been on top of everything today, guys, but just hasn't. I mean, really, the only stock in the. I mean, we've been on top of everything, but AGE in the low float penny stock land. That stock's been running today. Not bad. If you guys are interested there, there's plenty of low float chat rooms out there for you. But we've been on top of everything. Great work, guys. Just been a little lighter. Little lighter. Coin with the fancy analogies. I like it. I likes it. Yeah. If you take the business very seriously, you will have all the correct tools. I'm looking to have a couple. Probably add a few more brokers to my arsenal as well. I want to make sure I have shorts on everything. CARV taking off. If you guys have, like, for instance, this. I don't have shorts right now on CARV, so. All right. But yeah, CRV not bad at the moment. CRV up through 9, CRV. What's the float here? CRV 480,000 in the float. What the heck? Is that right? That is in a void for me. Let me pull up the float there. CRV, look, 480,000 in the float. Be careful. Be careful of trading it. But hello volume. Hello volume. Yeah, elevator down and you know, elevator up, really, as far as that goes. Elevator down, elevator up with the low floats. Guys, I am Rocket probably works out, but I'm gonna take it because I gotta go. I got to go, so I'm gonna break even on it right there, 23.15, because it probably works. It probably works, but it's too slow for me right now. So I'm gonna end with those trades. A little nibble on PLUG and GPRO was sick out of the gates, but that's gonna be it for me. I gotta head out of here, guys. We will do it again tomorrow. Love you all. Hit me up if you have any questions. AveryDayTradingGmail.com. If you want these scans we use every day and keep trading throughout the day, get them in the description below. You guys will be good to go. All right, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.